Hey guys, my name is Sanjana and welcome to my channel Sanjana Speaks. So guys, today it's a very interesting craft. As you can see, this is really amazing and it's very cool too. So let's learn how to make it because this is going to be so beautiful. You'll love it. And let's start. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Like, share and ring the bell notifications. And watch this video till the end because I'm going to share some amazing tips how to use this because this is really useful. So watch till the end. So let's take a look of what we need to make this craft. Wait, are we missing some things? No, we are not. We just need paper and glue. That's it. Nothing else. But also some confidence to make this good craft. So keep your confidence level 100% and let's start. So to start with, let us make the rectangular paper a square. But when we do a square, we make a line like this. So this line is also very important. Now let's fold it to the other diagonal. And press it from the middle. Be careful to get right corners. Because it's all about folding. Now we have got at the center point. So what we do now, we take one corner and mark it as the centerpiece and fold. We do the same for the other side. So we get this pattern. So we have made four plates. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sections. Now we take this corner and bring it to this edge. Like over here. This point. We'll repeat this same on this side also. Always fold from center because you need the right line. So it always comes the right line if you fold it from the center. So how many columns are we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 8 columns. So what we'll do, we'll take this corner again and fold it to this center point. Fold it in half as you can see. Here also we do the same thing. Now how many columns are there? There are 8 columns. See? Now we do the same with the other diagonal. So we have this line. We just iron it so that it will help us find the folds. Okay. Now we do the same thing like we did over here. Fold it till center. On the other side too. Now fold it till this side. The same on this side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. Done. Here too. So we got 8 sections here, 8 sections here. So kind of it's like a chessboard. We got 64 squares. Now we turn over this page and from a diamond we transform it into a square. Now we do the same what we did on the back, but not vertically and horizontally. We just do it vertically, not horizontally. Remember, not horizontally. Okay. We folded it 8 sections just like we did over here. 8 vertical sections. So let's do it. So first, half. So this is the half and here is the center point. So we half it into half. We do the same on the other side. Four sections are done. Now we make 8 sections by making half of everything. Now over here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we make these guys also into half. And the last one. So we are done with 8 sections. Now one of the last step, we turn over the sheet and we iron the chest lines, the diagonal lines. We fine it. We also make them sharp. Now let's do in the other direction. Sharpen this. Now we open it up and we are almost done. Now we just roll it into a cylindrical shape and we are done. Just need to adjust a little bit by putting our hand inside and then make the shape and stick it. Then let's put slight glue and stick it. So guys, this is how it looks after sticking. Sticking is a bit difficult, so you can ask your parents to help. But you know there are some amazing uses for this. What are they? Let me tell you. This is the leading power of pizza. Catch it, catch it, catch it. Then it can also be used as a photo booth. Isn't it amazing? You can take creative selfies with this and it looks like there's a tunnel and at the end of the tunnel my photo is there. You can also have fun with it. See, I have put it on this yellow bulb. It's looking so nice. And the white paper changed into the color of the bulb. Make your room super creative. You can even use it as a bottle holder or even a pencil box holder. It will be fun. So subscribe for sure, ring the bell notifications and I hope I see you next time. Signs out your friend Sanjana Speaks.